search mission team is using a thermal drone to locate a Russian national, Mordovina Alexandra, who went missing while illegally climbing Mount Rinjani in West Nusa Tenggara.
The search, which began on Friday, combed Senaru climbing route by using a thermal drone to get an aerial views around the Sangkareang Peak and Santong Valley. Wahyu, head of Mataram search mission, said there is so far no signs of the victim. Search operation includes personnel from Mount Rinjani National Park Office, National Armed Forces, and the National Police with the additional help from related parties. Mordovina was reported missing after illegally climbing the Rinjani mountain on August 30. The search mission was conducted operation in several routes, including the Senaru Pelawangan and Pelawangan Sangkareang. If within 4 days the missing person has not been found, the team will conduct an evaluation to determine the next steps.